Let's go to Lyft side of things now. Something that they're either testing or rolling out. We're not really.
No, they rolled this out. They rolled this out. I got a text from Boston driver. He goes, "Do you have this?" I go, "No." Oh, he goes, "I'm in the East Coast, so you'll get it in an hour." Sure enough, an hour later, I got this thing.
I don't have it yet. So
everybody in LA got this. Everybody in LA. I checked with all my LA guys. Everybody in LA got this.
So, all right. So basically, what it is, it's a bonus zone boost. You texted me. You're like, "What is this shit?" I'm like, "This is what it looks like to me." So
no, but you know what? Initially, I was like, "Oh no, this is like another one of those Uber Pro language barrier bullshit that they're going to put up." But then I figured it out pretty fast. Actually, Chris, I like this. You know why I like this? You know why I like this? Because you can actually cherry pick that first 15, unlock the 20% zone boost, right? Cherry pick the shit out of it, unlock it. And for the 30%, cherry pick some more.
Yeah, okay. That's a good. I like your effort, but I'm going to squash your thought process here.
Why?
Because they're going to say that you're going to get 20% more based on that 15 ride tier. You hit that 15 rides, and then you're going to get 20% more. Makes it no. They're going to say plus 20%, but they're going to lower the fare. So that same $10 ride that you would have cherry picked before is now $8. With a 20% update to $10. So they're going to pay you the exact same price.
Well, I got you, but we have to test it and figure it out. Now, the other thing they can do, okay, so this is the Lyft map. When I got this in my thing, I immediately took a screenshot of the Lyft map. So you see those little 2s and 3s, pinks and purples and whatever Lyft colors are, right? Yep. So this is what this means. If you unlock the top level, let's say you did unlock, cherry pick the shit out of it for a week, and this is a weekly thing, by the way, Monday to Monday, so it's doable, people. So if you cherry pick 55 times and drove only when there is surge, right, or Lyft calls it bonus, right, and so you did decent trips out of those 55 anyway. So now the weekend comes, you did 10 trips a day. Now it's the weekend, you know it's going to be better. So if you had unlocked this 40% boost zone, and if you're in one of those $3 areas, right, that 3 is going to become $4.20. That's what this is about. So cherry pick the shit out of it Monday through Friday. And Friday, if you unlock even the second tier, which is 30%, then, you know, if you catch a $6, $8 bonus, that another 30% on that is going to be another $3. So that 8 becomes 11. So, hey, man, I like this. So because this goes with my scheme of cherry pick the shit out of it and then cherry pick the shit out of it again on the weekend and get the 30-40% bonus. Unless they turn the surge off. Now you're screwed. Now you did 55 trips to get this 40%. And
I like your thought process, and that's my exact thought process. But I know Lyft. We've seen them do different things, and Uber, and we've seen them pull shit. We just looked at the Trip Radar where they were pulling that shit with the $5.25 and the $1.50 when it came to surge. So here's the thing: there's two avenues that I could see Lyft doing. They could say for your initial aspect, we're going to price everything subpar. So that means every single person is getting paid subpar. And then when you get that first tier, when you hit that first, in this case, 15 rides, and you get that 20% extra, maybe that brings you back to what it should actually be, or what it was prior to upfront fares change or upfront pay change. And then
Christmas. It's Christmas, man. You're being the Grinch, man. Give it hope, man. Have some hope, man.
It's as David put it yesterday on the show that we were on. He was talking about passenger wiggle. This is the same thing, driver wiggle. So driver wiggle is going to be, they're going to price it accordingly. So that 20, 30, 40% probably isn't really 20, 30, 40%. It's probably where you think, because again, in the 10, 12 seconds that you're going to see it, can you do the math that quick to figure it out?
Okay, I got it. But look, listen. Okay, I tested the area.
I'm playing devil's advocate here.
I know you are. I tested the area filter. I loved it, right? So without testing, I wouldn't. Okay, let's give these people the benefit of the doubt, right? Okay, don't hate me for it, because I think this fits my style of driving beautifully. I'm not going to 55. I'm not going for 55 trips. I'm just going to go cherry pick the shit out of maybe 20, 30 trips during the week, and then I'll get my 30% and just drive when there are bonuses, okay? And let's see if it stays true. If it doesn't stay true, the week after, I'm going to come back and say, F you, Lyft. It didn't work out, right?
Well, I would love to see your numbers. You know, if that pops up on mine, then I'll do the same exact thing. I'll figure it out. But I haven't seen it pop up on mine yet. They haven't sent me that.
It's gonna be a long winter. Let's give these people some hope because there's shit out there. And then well, to me, it's like, okay.
This could be a game that we could play. And that's the whole thing. Like, you know, they're playing a game and we're going to play a game. So when it comes down to it, all drivers watching and listening beyond this, you know, you can't play the game if you don't know you're playing the game, and you can't play the game if you don't know the rules. And you can't break the rules unless you know them. So here's the thing. You need to know the game, you need to know the rules, and then you need to know how to bend them.
Okay. For this one, Chris, I have a plan. Okay. And this fits my style. My style is cherry pick anyway. I'm just going to cherry pick the shit out of it until I unlock one, and then test it if they're really paying me 20% more. Just like just like I had a, we're going to put that up next week. I took Lyft's money and I got my statement. Guess what? Lyft lost $350 on me last week. So I'm like, you guys are going to see the beauty of that one. And in fact,
well, that's because Gabe paid you. It came out of Gabe's earnings. They just rebalanced from him to you during that.
Well, they took it from somewhere because they lost their ass on me. But look, for each thing that they offer, I have a strategy, right? If they offer me a guarantee, right, I know where I'm going to be. I'm going to do only 262 trips in 8 hours. I'm going to do 30 trips, take their $600, and I'm out of there. Right. Mm-hmm. So for each zag, we have to have a zig, or for each zig they put in, we have to have a zag. So on this one, I have my strategy set up. Does it work? We're going to find out.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.